If you've ever accidentally lost an important Facebook conversation, this video is going to help you understand exactly what you can and cannot recover. Today I'm showing you how to recover deleted Facebook messages, or more accurately, how to check whether those messages were really deleted or just archived in Messenger. This is important because a lot of people think a chat is gone forever when it may still be sitting in archived chats. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook or Messenger on your phone or computer. If you use the Messenger app, that's usually the fastest place to check. Once you're inside, look for the chat list and go to Archived Chats. This is the first place you should check because archived messages are not deleted messages. They are simply hidden from your main inbox, which means they can often be recovered in just a few taps. Now, in the archived area, search for the person's name or scroll through your older conversations. If you find the chat there, that is a very good sign because it means the conversation still exists. Open the chat and check the options at the top or inside the conversation menu. You should see an option to unarchive the chat. Tap Unarchive and the conversation will move back into your normal inbox so you can view it again and continue messaging as usual. If you don't see the conversation in archived chats, try using the search bar and type the person's name directly. Sometimes the chat is easier to find that way, especially if you have a lot of conversations. Also, make sure you check both Facebook and Messenger, because depending on how you use the app, the message thread may appear in one place more easily than the other. Now here's the most important thing to understand. If the messages were permanently deleted, then Facebook does not offer a built-in way to restore them. That means once a message has truly been deleted, it cannot usually be recovered through normal account settings. So if you were hoping for a restore button or a secret recovery folder, the reality is that archived chats are recoverable, but permanently deleted messages are not. That's why it's always a good idea to check archived chats first, search carefully by name, and only then assume the messages are gone. In many cases, people discover the conversation was never deleted at all. It was simply archived by accident, and that small difference can save you a lot of stress. So to recap, open Facebook or Messenger, go to Archived Chats, search for the person's name, open the chat, and select Unarchive if it's there. If the messages were permanently deleted, they can't be recovered through Facebook's normal tools. I hope this quick guide helped you understand the process clearly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.